Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 3 to the power x is equal to x. Okay, or taking natural log ln on both sides, we can write here ln of 3 to the power x is equal to ln of x. Now we know ln of a to the power b is equal to b ln of a. So apply this rule, we can write x times ln of 3 is equal to ln of x, or now divided both sides by x, we can write here x times ln of 3 over x is equal to ln of x over x. Now this x cancel out this x, so here we will get ln of 3 is equal to ln of x over x. Now changing sides, we can write here ln of x over x is equal to ln of 3, or now we know that e to the power ln of a is equal to a. So this x can be written as e to the power ln of x. Okay, so we can write here ln of x over e to the power ln of x is equal to ln of 3, or again we know that 1 over a to the power b is equal to a to the power negative b. So we can write here ln of x times e to the power negative ln of x is equal to ln of 3, or this negative but this positive, so now multiplying both sides by negative 1, we can write here negative ln of x times e to the power negative ln of x is equal to negative ln of 3. Now here taking lambda w function on both sides, we can write here w of negative ln of x times e to the power negative ln of x is equal to w of negative ln of 3. Now we know lambda w function w of a times e to the power a is equal to a. So here we will get negative ln of x is equal to w of negative ln of 3, or now again multiplying both sides by negative 1, we can write ln of x is equal to negative w of negative ln of 3, or now taking base e on both sides, we can write here e of e to the power ln of x is equal to e to the power negative w of negative ln of 3, or we know e to the power ln of a is equal to a, so e to the power ln of x is equal to x. Now here we will get 1 over e to the power w of negative ln of 3. Now here we can use calculator. Here x is not a real number, this x is a complex number, so the approximate value of x is 0.520 minus 1.492i, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.